What's going on, guys? This is Williams, and in today's video we are going to look at a free AI image upscaler that works surprisingly very well for a free software that uses AI to upscale like unlimited amount of images that you have. So the name of the software is called Upscale, as you can see here, Upscale, and you can download it by going to upscale.org. Now, just a quick overview of what Upscale is. It's a tool that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to upscale your images, increase their resolution and sharpness with incredible accuracy. Let's be honest. Whether you're a photographer or a graphic designer or just simply someone who appreciates high quality visuals, I I believe upscale is going to change the way you see upscaling images with AI. And so far, this tool has two powerful options. One is the desktop application, which can be downloaded like this. And secondly, which is still coming soon, is the cloud version. Some of its features include, yeah, obviously it's free and open source. It's customizable. It's a work in progress too. So that's all I can say about it. So without talking so much, let's just jump into the software and see how it works. Now, once you download the software, by clicking on the download button here, it takes you to this part where you have to choose the platform you use. I am on a Windows computer, so I downloaded the Windows version. You launch the software, and this is what you see. It's actually very easy to use. First of all you need to do is get the image you want upscaled, and these are the formats accepted: PNG, JPEG, WebP images, and we it has some models that you can play around with. Also, although I usually just leave it on the general photo real Erskine. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but let's go ahead and look for just an image online, because I have been able to upscale some images here, and it was pretty good. This was the original image, for instance. For this, I found a low res version of an image, and this here is the upscaled version. As you can see, it's um it's pretty good. So let's just look for an image. I'm just gonna Google portrait image also. Let's go to images, and my attention is on on a low resolution image. I mean, an image that has just low resolution. Yeah, this is 800 by 800. It's still fine to use, I guess. I'm just looking for an image that you could see the difference clearly. We could use this. Let's go ahead and see if we can get any other image. Oh no, this is already a high-res image, 1000 by 467 by 700. This is also perfect to use. I guess we can even use this over this because it's 800 by 800 and this is 400 and yeah, 467 by 700. All right, so let's say we are using this. I would just save the image, and it's already in a WebP format. So the next thing I'm going to do, I can just drag it from here to this. Yes. All right, and now with upscale you could do once you select the image, which is what we already have, you select the step 2 is to select the model. Like I said, I just like leaving it here. I tried using human figures and non-human figures for upscaling, and I noticed it takes longer time to upscale human figures. I don't know. But then I used the double upscale feature for those images I showed you, which means it's going to run the upscale twice, and this is like times 16, like 16x of the upscale. You select the output folder, which I have created a folder called Upscale. Then yeah, just upscale, and that's it. So we wait for it to upscale. It's going to show a percentage, like a progress percentage, just where this hold on is. And since we've selected double upscale, it means it's going to take some time, because after running the first upscale up to 100%, it's going to still do the same thing for the second upscale. And I will pause this video and get back to you when it's done. Okay, I'm back. It's on 97%, and I wasn't counting, but it should be close to 30 minutes now, which, like I said, I noticed it takes longer when you are dealing with human figures compared to non-human figures. And I did this double upscale using, I don't know, just I don't know. It didn't take up to 10 minutes or so, but this is about to be done. Yeah. So let's see. So a few things that you should note with Upscale is that for the desktop application, if you have a Vulkan compatible GPU, then it's going to be a lot better for you and a lot smoother. Wow, this is this was worth the wait, actually. I mean, you can see the preview. This is before, this is after, and we can come and view the image here. Let me see, how do we do this? All right, I'm going to open up the before, and this right here is the after. Just compare this side by side. This is before and this is after. You could see that this is absolutely amazing. I mean, I'm so thrilled by how well this is. I'm so stunned. I mean, and okay, look at the file size. It's 106 megabytes, and I believe it was worth it. Let's see, did it maintain the file format? It changed it to .png, which is nice. So use case, like in which situations do you get to use this was another one that I upscaled. In which situation do you get to use this? One is, let's say you have images from a work that you're supposed to do, and the only available images for that particular stuff you want to use it for is the only available images are low res images. You could use this. Two, you could revive some of those old grandmother or grandfather kind of images that were taken long time ago using some 2 megapixel camera. Okay, so this right here is a good result. It was worth the wait. And that's not all. I mean, you could use the batch upscale. So if you have a lot of time in your hands, you could just batch a ton of pictures here. I don't know how many pictures it accepts per batch. Okay, it wasn't mentioned, but you could just select a couple of pictures here and click and just let it do its thing. I'm still looking at this, and this is, look at the hair, look at the eyes, and look at, I mean, yes, this is incredible. All right, so that ends the video. I hope you like it. Just, if you do, leave it in the comment section. Just show your appreciation by liking and subscribing, and let me know what you see yourself, you know, using or like doing with this tool. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.